Okay, so in this episode of Gav Details, we are going to be trying out for the first time the Optimum Power Clean, which is their all-purpose cleaner slash degreaser. So we're going to be using it on the tires, full strength in a spray bottle here. I have been using Purple Power and more recently Super Clean for degreasing and being able to scrub the tires to provide a very clean surface for the new tire dressings. The Power Clean does say here, for use on wheels and tires, can be used at full strength or diluted up to 3 parts water with 1 part concentrate. Agitate as needed and rinse off. For use on painted surfaces, dilute at 3:1 for best results. Spray on, agitate, and rinse. For use on interior panels, dilute 3:1, spray on, agitate, and wipe off. And you can even use it on leather, vinyl, or the dashboard materials, dilute 5:1, spray on, and wipe off. So Power Clean is a revolutionary product that is specifically formulated to clean wheels and tires, as well as all other automotive surfaces. It's environmentally friendly, safe for the user, and safe on all vehicle surfaces except glass. So keep that in mind. Power Clean will work on most everything that is dirty. Use it at full strength for the toughest dirt, grime, and brake dust, or dilute it up to 3:1 for lighter jobs. The special polymers and emulsifiers will work to break down and dissolve the toughest problem areas of a vehicle. So we'll go ahead and soak 1 tire and see if we can see it pulling off any of the grime. Then we'll go ahead and give it a rinse, examine it, and then we can retreat the tire and then scrub with a brush, a normal bucket wash with soapy water. Okay, so we're going to start with the driver front tire just for the video purposes. I normally start at the driver rear, go to the passenger rear, and then the passenger front, and then the driver front, just because the front is going to be most heavily coated with brake dust. So to see how the Power Clean is going to work on the brake dust and grime, why not try one of the dirtier wheels? So full strength. I will be adding gloves for hand protection, just to kind of keep from any kind of, wind-induced drying. But you can see that there's still some of the Meguiar's hyper dressing left on the tire. We didn't get much rain during the week, so a little bit of the dressing is still left on the tire. So the Power Clean's probably been on the tire for about a minute. We'll go ahead and rinse. So even though the product is orange, you could see that there was the heavy brown sediment that was removed just with rinsing, and you can see here how clean the tire is. No tire dressing really left. You can tell by the grayish color of the tire here with the better lighting. So we'll probably go ahead and scrub just for posterity to make sure, but Optimum Power Clean in its first test on degreasing tires, I would definitely give it a thumbs up. So for a quick review, you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And for upcoming detailing videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.